Bicep curl tutorials. Proper form or movement. Arm straight, wrists bent upwards. Moving only from the elbow joint, imagine an arch created by your fist. This will help you lock the elbow in position and not move it forward or backwards. Supination. This can be explained by twisting your wrist like this, thus working the peak of the bicep. That's the supination movement. The bar you're holding in your hand, it doesn't matter if it's a barbell, a kettlebell, whatever, it should be parallel to the ground. Your fist should be parallel to the ground. Obviously, this applies only to one-handed bicep curl, not to a bar. Talking about posture. Knees bent, shoulders in a neutral position, that means lowered. Elbows close to your body, and start the movement as we talked before. It doesn't matter if you're holding a bar, a barbell, a dumbbell, a whatever bell, something. It doesn't matter if you're holding nothing. You just keep it parallel to the ground, actively thinking about your back, your shoulders, and your elbows. Some of the most common mistakes. Doing shrugs when you should do bicep curls, meaning you're lifting your shoulders. A weird variation of cheat curls with forgetting about the negative. Some variation of the bicep curl. One-armed bicep curls. On your final rep, put your elbows slightly in front and lower it slowly to create more tension. Using a bar, Olympic bar, I recommend it because it needs to be wide enough. As in the video, spread your arms, elbows as close to the body as possible, but also in front, and creating the arch that we talked about earlier, lift. This is more for the brachialis, but it's very good variation for the forearm also, because it works on your grip. Just use a plate, it doesn't matter what kind of plate you have in your gym, just don't bend your wrist. Keep it straight, straight arm, straight everything, and just do a normal bicep curl with the variation of gripping the plate. If it's possible and you have a way to grip the plate like this, you can do that, but keep everything straight. Do not move your wrist in any way. Lock it with your forearm and create one single unit. Grip the plate really hard and start moving up and down, just like a hammer curl, only you're doing it with the plate to activate the forearm and the brachialis. Straight, everything straight, shoulders back and down, and that's it. This is the basic for a bicep curl. It's all you need to know at the beginning when you're starting to work out. During your reps, actively think about your shoulders, your arms and elbows should be a bit in front of your body, and your wrists should be a bit upwards. Don't forget about supination and have fun.